First listen, kinds of plants. Kinds means nothing but types. Types in plants. The amazing world of plants is all around us. We are going to learn about many kinds of plants. They differ in size, shape and color. Plants are the longest living things on the earth. So, the another word for the world is the earth. So we can call this world as also earth. We are well known about the earth. Why? Because all living things can survive only on the earth. Living things means human beings, animals, birds and plants. Living things means we are also living thing or we living beings, as well as plants, birds, animals are also live on the earth. So today we are going to discuss about these plants. So plants play an important role in our life. Plants give us food, shelter, medicine and some useful products like in our school we saw some wooden chairs, blackboard. In our home we can see chairs, doors, some more made up of wood. This all comes from the trees. So these trees are very important to us. Not only furniture, we will get food also as well as medicine. So in this we can see different types of plants around us. Some plants are short and some plants are long. Some plants are short and some plants are long. So these long plants are called trees. These long plants are called trees. It has strong woody stem called trunk. It has strong woody stem called it has strong woody called trunk. And also it has branches. See here you can find the branches. These all are the branches. It has many branches. It has many branches and these trees roots are deep into the soil. So these trees roots go deep into the soil and they are also very strong. And these trees can live up to 1,000 years. This tree can live up to 1,000 years. So tall plants are called what? Trees. And it has a strong woody stem. So this is called stem, but it is what? Strong woody stem called trunk. For trees, it has strong woody stem called trunk. And this can live up to 1,000 years. So these all are the some examples of trees. What are they means? Banyan tree, coconut tree, mango tree and Ashoka tree. These are very tall trees, Nana. Coconut tree and Ashoka tree are very tall. Next, shrubs. Shrubs are nothing but small plants. Shrubs are small plants. It has more than 2 stems. The shrubs have more than 2 stems and these stems are very hard, thin and very hard. Thin and sannaga untadannamata. Thin and very hard. The stems are thin and very hard. And if you know, the trees have the leaves though. The leaves are also not in same size. The plants have different shape and color. If you observe different plants leaves, some are big and some are small. Not all the leaves are not same. Some plants leaves are big and some plants leaves are small. But most of the trees color is green in color. Most of the trees color is green. So what are shrubs, Nana? Shrubs means shrubs are small plants. Shrubs are small plants and it has more than 2 stems. It has more than 2 stems. The shrubs have more than 2 stems. The shrubs stems are very thin and hard. Shrubs cannot live as long as a tree. I said no here. Trees can live up to 1,000 years, but the shrubs cannot live long as a tree. See, shrubs have thin and hard woody stem. There are many branches. They have many branches. Their roots are not deep inside the earth. They are bushy. Shrubs do not live as long as trees. Bushy means nothing but groups. How means గుంపులుగా ఉంటుందన్నమాట, దాన్ని బుషి అంటాం. దే ఆర్ బుషి. షర్బ్స్ డు నాట్ లివ్ యాజ్ లాంగ్ యాజ్ ట్రీ. అండ్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ షర్బ్స్: రోజ్, జాస్మిన్, హైబిస్కస్, కాటన్, బూగేన్విలే, భూగన్విలే, భూగేన్విలియా, Bougainvillea, Bougainvillea, Bougainvillea. So these all are the plants of shrubs. Next, herbs. Herbs means these are very small plants. I said shrubs are small plants, no, and herbs are very small plants. Shrubs కన్నా చిన్నగా ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట herbs. So these herbs are very small. These herbs are also called seasonal plants. These herbs are also called seasonal plants. It has small roots and soft stem. It has small roots. I said for trees it has long and strong roots, no, but these herbs have short roots and this stem is very soft. And the stem is very soft. But see here, banana tree is there. It is tall plant. I said no, herbs means small, two small plants. But you can ask, madam, why banana is a herb? It has a tall plant, no, like that you can ask. See Nana, this banana can have, it has life only for 6 months. Just it live for only 6 months. This banana plant, just it can only live for 6 months. That's why it is called herb. I said no, for trees it has long time. They can live up to 1,000 years, and shrubs short period, and it has very short period. Seasonal plants, only in that season only it can grow. So this is the banana plant. It lives up to only 6 months. That's why it is called a herb. So here some of the examples are there for herbs: brinjal, banana, sunflower, coriander, tomato, lady's finger, corn. Brinjal, banana, sunflower, coriander, tomato, lady's finger and corn. Next about climbers. So water climbers means which need support. These climbers need support. Without support they can't stand erect. So they need support. These plants have long and weak stem. See Nana, here you can see the stem. It is very long and weak stem. So it is not standing properly. So that's why it taken the support of stick. Yes or no? So it need a support of another plant, wall or ఫెన్స్. వాల్ పైన కానీ లేకపోతే స్టిక్ పైన కానీ దేనిపైన సపోర్ట్ ఇచ్చి పెరుగుతాయి అన్నమాట ఈ ప్లాంట్స్. దిస్ ప్లాంట్స్, see here, these plants are also called twinners. These plants are also called twinners. Climbers have long and weak stem, so they need support to climb. They climb on another plant, walls or fences to receive sunlight. Climbers are also called twinners. So these are the examples of climber plants: money plant, pea plant, bean plant, and also grapevine plant. Grapevine plant, money plant, pea plant, bean plant, grapevine plant. Next, creepers. Creepers means creepers like climbers. Creepers also cannot stand erect. Weak and flexible stemmed plants which spread on the ground are called creepers. So here Nana, these plants are also like climbers. It also have weak stem and cannot stand erect. Same as these climbers, it also has weak stem, they can't stand erect. So these plants spread horizontally on the ground. I said no, in these plants need support and it grows on the stick, on the wall or on the fences. But these plants grow only on the earth, only on the ground, Nana. So they are pumpkin, cucumber, watermelon. Pumpkin, cucumber, watermelon. These plants are also called seasonal plants. These also do not have long life. Next, thorns. Thorns means nothing but mullu. Thorny plants. వీటికి ముళ్ళులు ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. They are called thorny plants. Cactus grow mostly in the deserts. Cactus have no leaves. They are called thorny plants. Cactus grow mostly in the desert. Cactus have no leaves. So Nana, you observe here. These are the some plants are there. See, desert plants has no leaves. Edari mokkalu. So here if you see here, is there any leaves? No leaves. And these plants grow only on the desert. These two plants, not only these two plants, some other desert plants, they can grow only on the desert. Why? Because these plants do not need water. These plants do not need water. And this is also thorny plant, but we can see in our houses, it has thornies, chinna chinna mullulu untayi. This is about thorny plants. So here are some important questions. Brazil cone pine tree is the oldest tree in the world. It is in America. It is the oldest tree in the world. Brazil cone pine tree, it is the oldest tree. It is in America. And the tallest tree in the world is the redwood tree in America. The tallest tree in the world is the redwood tree in America. Its height is 112.1 meters. 112.1 meters. This is about our lesson. Bougainvillea.